I'm Todd, Cooperrider with Esoteric, and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question is, how do I ceramic coat my car without a garage? It's a good question and one that comes up quite a bit. You may not like the answer to it, but there's some other details in it as well. You can coat the car outside in the shade. That's not a problem at all. The issue that we're dealing with is that first 24 hours of the car during its drying and curing phase. If you just leave the car outside, you're going to get dew, condensation and built up on it, and that's going to potentially cause problems with a coating. Most notably, you can end up getting water spots on it. So if you want to do coating, you really need to find a place that car is going to stay in overnight that first night. Even here at Esoteric in the shop, we're working with a customer, we coat the car for them, they take delivery that same day. We always let them know that it has to stay inside at least that first night because it's going to go through its drying phase and you do not want to get it wet. And most coating is going to be the same thing. Within 12 to 24 hours, I like to err on the cautious side of that and say 24 hours that you want to keep it dry. So you can coat it outside. You want to avoid the sunshine. You probably don't want to do it on a windy day, but that first night it really needs to stay indoors if you want to get the most out of the coating. Now I'm going to take you into a couple other videos here next. One of them is about common coating mistakes. So if you are doing coating yourself at home, it's going to help you make sure that you do the right steps in applying the coating. And the next video that we're going to link you to is on kamikaze coating, one of the easiest coatings that you're going to find. So whether you're applying indoors or outdoors, you want a really easy and effective product to use. So make sure to click on both of these videos. A lot more information available to you.